Have you ever wanted to record a phone call? Maybe to save an interview, keep important information, or just for personal reference? The good news is, you can do it on your smartphone for free. But before we begin, remember, recording calls may be subject to local laws, so always check your country's rules and get permission if needed. Now, let's get started. On many Android devices, call recording is already built in. When you're on a call, you might see a record button right on the screen. Just tap it, and the call will be saved automatically in your phone's storage. If you don't see that option, don't worry, there are other free ways to do it. One method is using Google Voice, available in select regions. With Google Voice, you can record incoming calls for free by pressing the number 4 on your keypad. A message will notify both parties that the call is being recorded, and the audio will be saved to your account. Another option is to use free third-party apps from the Play Store, like ACR Call Recorder or Cube ACR. These apps automatically capture your conversations and organize them in a simple interface. Just be sure to choose a trusted app with good reviews to keep your data safe. If you're on iPhone, built-in call recording isn't allowed for privacy reasons. But you can use a free workaround by enabling the Voice Memos app and placing your phone on speaker during the call. This way, the conversation is captured clearly, and you don't need to spend a dime. For those who want crystal clear quality, there's also the option of using free online services that connect through a three-way call and record for you. It's not as quick as a built-in tool, but it works when other options aren't available. In the end, whether you're using built-in features, Google Voice, third-party apps, or a voice memo workaround, you can record phone calls without paying anything. So next time you need to save an important conversation, try one of these free methods. Just remember, always respect privacy and get consent before you hit that record button. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.